welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Anubhavi Singh, and I'm here with yet another video. And it is a story time video where today I'll share a little story from my life, which I have never talked about like till now anywhere except to the one person. I have not talked about this phase of my life ever. So, yes, I'm gonna share that story with you guys. So, 4 to 5 years back, I was going through the most horrible phase of my life. Like, that was the most darkest phase of my life. And I thought that, dude, I'm not gonna survive this phase. I'll just give up. Okay, so that was that kind of phase in my life. I was heartbroken, I was not physically well, I was mentally shattered, and also उससे पहले in 10th I have not scored good marks, so I had that pressure also that I'm a very average student, so what will I do like in life. So I had this kind of mindset कि मैं average student हूँ तो मैं क्या ही कर लूँगी life में. तो that was also something that was scaring me a lot at that point of time, and I was struggling with depression. So I stopped doing everything I loved doing. I stopped writing poetries. I didn't watch my favorite movies. I have like stopped listening my favorite music. Music is my safe place. Like I love listening to music, but I stopped listening music as well. I stopped painting, coloring. I have मतलब सब कुछ मैंने बंद कर दिया था. मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स से भी नहीं बात करती थी क्योंकि मतलब मेरे ऐसे बहुत फ्रेंड्स तो थे नहीं. एक दो फ्रेंड्स थे, बट व्हेन दे यूज्ड टू कॉल मी, सो आई डोंट यूज्ड टू टॉक टू देम. लाइक 5 मिनट से ज़्यादा मैं बात नहीं करती थी क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि अगर मैं 5 मिनट से ज़्यादा बात करूँगी, दे विल आस्क मी समथिंग एंड आई एंड अप क्राइंग एंड दे विल आस्क मी दैट व्हाट हैपेंड, एंड आई कुड नॉट आंसर एनी क्वेश्चंस बिकॉज आई also didn't had any answers to the questions that were coming in my brain at that point of time, because that phase was the most destroying phase of my life. I struggled doing so many things. I struggled getting up in the morning because morning was the part of the day that I hated. I thought that why this morning has happened to me. I didn't feel like getting up in the morning because I thought that if I'll get up in the morning, I had to wear that smile and pretend that I'm okay, but I was not okay. So इसलिए मैं किसी से बात भी नहीं करती थी. Night was a time where I felt that I don't have to pretend. I can cry. कोई एंजाइटी अटैक्स आते थे तो मैं बाथरूम में भाग जाती थी और मैं लॉक कर लेती थी खुद को. And I used to like struggle over there. Like I used to keep my hands on my mouth ताकि आवाज़ बाहर ना जाए. I used to splash water on my face कि मैं किसी तरह काम डाउन हो जाऊँ, नहीं तो अगर कोई सुन लेगा तो मुझे उनको बताना पड़ेगा that what I am going through, and I don't want to tell this to my parents that I'm going through something like this. मुझे नहीं पता था कि वो समझेंगे या नहीं समझेंगे, बट आई फेल्ट दैट आई कैन नॉट टेल दिस थिंग टू माई पेरेंट्स. सो आई यूज्ड टू स्ट्रगल सो मच इन द बाथरूम जस्ट टू बी ओके, एंड आई फेल्ट दैट आई डोंट नो दैट how will I just manage myself, how will I get through this. मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आता था. I just used to struggle over there, and the only thoughts that came in my mind was life-ending thoughts. I thought that if I end it over here, that will be the solution to all my problems. I will not get anxiety attacks. I will not be tortured by myself because I thought that I'm not a good person. I'm not a good daughter. I'm not a good student. I cannot do anything in life. So that was something, the only option I was left with. So I used to think, let's just end it, and I even tried doing it, but somehow मैं बच जाती. I don't know how, but मैं बच जाती. Okay, so everything got a little serious because I got emotional क्योंकि मुझे सब कुछ याद आ गया था. But now we are going further and we'll not cry now. So then all this was happening, like I was getting anxiety attacks. I was like trying to end everything and all that issues. I was physically like struggling as well. So after like ये सब कुछ हो रहा था, and then college happened and I took admission in a co-ed college, and that was also a big struggle for me क्योंकि I have studied in all girls school and I was going into a co-ed college, and me, like an introvert like me who's very shy to even talk to the girls, is going now in a co-ed college and had to talk to the boys too. So you can understand my struggle, what struggle I'm talking about. मैं गई कॉलेज, मैंने एडमिशन लिया, एंड द फर्स्ट पर्सन आई मेट इन द कॉलेज was Uttam. And Uttam helped me so much on the first day. I asked him and he told me कि हाँ यहाँ है, मतलब ये बैच बीकॉम का बैच यहाँ बैठा है, तो you have to sit over here. तो मैं गई एंड मैंने वहाँ देखा कि ऑलरेडी ग्रुप्स फॉर्म हो चुके थे, ठीक है, पीपल वर चिलिंग, लाइक दे वर groups already made, so people were chilling, they were talking, and I was literally sitting alone on the bench. I was attending lectures and I was eating my food and then I was going back. और घर जाके मैं बहुत रोती क्योंकि मुझसे कोई बात नहीं कर रहा था. अब मैं भी बात नहीं करती तो कोई क्या ही बात करेगा मुझसे, बट that was a different story. So nobody used to like talk to me because I was new and people have friends. So I used to cry. मैं कॉलेज से हर रोज़ आती और मैं हर रोज़ रोती, भाई बहुत रोती मैं कि मेरे से कोई बात ही नहीं कर रहा. ओके, तो मेरा रोना तो चल ही रहा था इस बीच. मैं रोज़ आती और मैं रोज़ रोती कि आई हैव टेकन द मोस्ट बैड डिसीजन ऑफ बीइंग इन अ कोएड कॉलेज, बट all this was happening and one fine day we had to like submit the presentations. तो मैंने सब presentation बनाया था and I have submitted to the professor and he said that your presentation is really creative, why don't you join our internship. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है, I joined the internship and internship में ना we had to like go on small events जो भी होते थे, तो हमें वहाँ जाना होता था. तो I went with people, so that there were so many people of techno only, ठीक है. तो मुझे Zelt से बहुत अच्छे लोग मिले. I really thank Zelt for that. I got some really good people. I got Arnav Bhaiya, like the most amazing senior I can ever get. So all this was happening and then Arnav also praised me that I am very good at management, so I really like your management skill, and I said thank you. And then I remember that Arnav ने एक short film shoot की थी I guess, और उन्होंने पोस्ट किया था अपने प्रोफाइल पे. तो I saw that short film and I really related with that. That was something I loved. So I texted him that भैया the short film is really very good and I really loved it. और फिर हमारी ऐसे conversation होते होने लगी. And I'll tell you, I was a girl at, मतलब उस टाइम पे ऐसा था कि मैं किसी को भी ट्रस्ट नहीं करती थी. लाइक लिटरली 1% ट्रस्ट मेरे अंदर बच्चा ही नहीं था. सो आई नेवर यूज टू ट्रस्ट एनीबडी. कोई भी कितना कह ले, मैं कुछ बताती ही नहीं थी. बट आई डोंट नो व्हाई, बट आई फेल्ट दैट आई कैन शेयर दिस टू अर्नव भैया. और मैंने उनसे शेयर की अपनी सारी, मतलब everything I have shared to him, that I'm struggling with this, ये हुआ है, मतलब सारी, मतलब जितनी मैं बकवास कर सकती थी मैंने अर्नव भैया से कर दी. And I kid you not, that person was available at 2 a.m. also whenever I needed him. I just text him that भैया I'm not okay, I'm not feeling okay, I need to talk. And he was like हाँ बेटा बोलो. So he was the only person I have trusted. I had shared my things with him. And you know, life में होता है ना कि you're going through so much and you just need that one push from somebody because you're all alone. तुम अकेले सब मैनेज कर रहे हो and you don't, तुम्हें आइडिया नहीं है कि तुम्हें, मतलब तुम्हें डायरेक्शन ही नहीं पता अपने लाइफ में कि तुम्हें कहाँ जाना है, कैसे करना है. यू नीड समबडी टू टेल योर थिंग्स. एंड आई थिंक कि मैंने ये चीज़ सबसे बेकार की थी कि मैंने कभी किसी से ये एक्सप्रेस नहीं किया दैट व्हाट आई एम गोइंग थ्रू, एंड आई एक्सप्रेस्ड इट विद अर्नब भैया, एंड ही was like a therapist for me. Honestly, I didn't know about therapy at that point of time, but Arnab bhaiya was like my therapist. Kuch bhi hota, I used to go and talk to him, and I felt okay. And you know, sometimes in life you don't need people to solve your problem. ये बहुत underrated है. Listening somebody is very underrated, but please trust me, sometimes you don't need people to solve your problem. You just need them to like just sit and listen to you, like give you ears and just listen to you. That's the best thing ever anybody can do. क्योंकि हमें हर वक्त सोल्यूशन नहीं चाहिए होता, हमें चाहिए होता है कि हमारी कोई बात सुने, लाइक बैठ के सुने कि हमको मतलब हम किस चीज़ के थ्रू जा रहे हैं, हमारी लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है, वाई वी आर दिस सैड एंड वाई वी कैन नॉट लाइक मूव ऑन फ्रॉम आवर लाइफ. सो Arnab bhaiya used to listen to me every time, and he used to be there for me. So, and that is the reason he's so much important in my life, because he was my unpaid therapist through this journey. And slowly and gradually when he used to, मैं मतलब एक दो पैराग्राफ का मतलब पूरा मैसेज उनको लिख के भेजती थी, एंड ही यूज्ड टू रिप्लाई टू दैट बहुत पेशेंटली. मैं सोचती थी कि भाई इतना पेशेंटली इंसान कैसे सुन लेता है, कैसे समझ लेता है, बट ही यूज्ड टू लाइक रिप्लाई टू मी वेरी पेशेंटली. बड़े प्यार से समझाते थे वो. एंड yeah, this was happening, and I realized that my life is getting a little better. क्योंकि इतना सब हो चुका था तो एक साथ तो नहीं सही हो सकता, बट आई स्टार्टेड लाइक सीइंग अ लिटिल गुड पॉजिटिव थिंग्स इन माई लाइफ बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. ये सब कुछ हो रहा था, बट आई डिडंट हैड कॉन्फिडेंस ऑन माई सेल्फ दैट आई कैन एवर डू एनी थिंग. तो मैं कॉलेज के फंक्शन मतलब कुछ भी होता था तो मैं पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहती थी, बट मैं पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करती थी. पहला तो रीज़न था कि मेरा घर इतना दूर था, एंड सेकेंड दैट आई थॉट दैट I cannot do it. Of course, कॉन्फिडेंस मेरा ज़ीरो था, तो मुझे लगता था कि मैं नहीं कर पाऊँगी. एंड स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली ये पूरी जर्नी धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ी. आई got to know about like skincare and makeup, and I started loving skincare and makeup so much. I also like जब मैंने makeup और skincare शुरू किया तो like skincare and makeup is something that I love doing. Like if I'm sitting in front of camera and I'm doing, so I don't think about कि यार क्या इसका मैंने मतलब इसका क्या होगा उसका क्या, मैं कुछ नहीं सोचती. I just do my makeup like it's a therapy for me. And slowly and gradually I started listening music before like I started doing makeup. तो मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा मैंने changes लाना शुरू कर दिया. I started like listening to music. I started coloring, I started painting. So it's like I pushed myself as well. Arnab bhaiya ने मुझे push किया कि sometimes you just need to start. Okay, so I thought कि let's just start. तो मैंने music सुनना शुरू कर दिया, मैंने कलरिंग करना शुरू कर दिया, सब कुछ. एंड धीरे धीरे सब बेटर होने लगा. बट एक पॉइंट था कि मैं मतलब एक पॉइंट ऐसा आता था कि मैं फिर वही सोचने लग जाती थी. बट आई ट्राइड ब्रेकिंग दैट लूप, एंड आई स्टार्टेड जर्नलिंग एज वेल कि मैं अपने थॉट्स को यू नो आई जस्ट लेट इट फ्लो ऑन द पेपर एंड जस्ट लेट इट आउट ऑफ माई हेड. आई वॉज वर्किंग ऑन मी एंड आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू हील in this whole duration, and then college came to an end and I was really sad, but I was also happy that I got some amazing friends, especially male friends. I was so scared to make male friends, but I ended up making some really sweet male friends. Like they tease me, but I know that they support me. They are there for me. So in the place where everybody can be harsh on each other, my male friends, like, they're the sweetest. although we don't talk like every day, but I know that like there will be a small message from them like Anubhavi बहुत अच्छा content बना है, Anubhavi I'm very happy for you. So like it's not important for to stay connected every day, but what's really important is how they are cheering you up, how they are loving you and showing you care. So yeah, and then I started creating content on LinkedIn. उसके बाद फिर this year I got a new iPhone, so I started creating content on YouTube and Instagram as well, and I felt really happy. मतलब ऑनेस्टली इतने सालों में मैं सबसे ज़्यादा खुश अब हूँ जब मैं कंटेंट क्रिएट कर रही हूँ. एंड ऑनेस्टली आई क्रिएट कंटेंट फॉर माई सेल्फ फर्स्ट बिकॉज I need to feel happy first, and then my audience can relate to it and like love my content as well. So yes, like this whole journey was like a roller coaster for me. मतलब मैंने तब सोचा था कि मैं सरवाइव नहीं कर पाऊंगी, and here I'm sitting in front of you making this YouTube video and telling you like what was the whole story from there till here. So I have learned so many things abhi tak. I have learned that when you feel that you cannot survive that phase of your life, please hold on a little bit more and pray to God, because you never know that how the life will turn and everything will be in your favor next time. So please hold on if you think that you're not gonna make it. Next is that healing is not a straight line. You have to unlove yourself, then you love yourself, then again unlove yourself. It's like it's a roller coaster ride. ठीक है, ऐसे कोई सीधी चीज़ नहीं है कि हाँ मतलब ऐसे चाहा और heal कर लिया. नहीं, it's not like that. I have gone through it and it's not a straight line at all. Then next thing, that one relationship, that one friendship, that one person will never decide your worth. Please, उस एक इंसान को अपनी वर्थ डिसाइड मत करने दो. That person chose to betray you, that person chose to like let you go, so it is their problem, not yours. You chose to be good to them, be kind to them, love them. So this is not your fault, okay? You are a good person and that's what you did, and they are a shit, so they did like that only, so they acted like that. They are a piece of shit, so just throw them out of your life, okay? वो तुम्हें नहीं बताएगा कि तुम कैसे हो. You're very good, you're very beautiful and you are amazing. So never let another person decide your worth, please. World has become so much harsh, like people really don't care about what you're going through. How was your day? No, they just care about their opinions. They want to pass their opinions, they want to pass judgment, and I think that is something really sad. So I just want to request that if you can be a little more kinder towards people, क्योंकि भाई सब अपनी स्ट्रगल में, सब हासिल कर रहे हैं, सब कहीं ना कहीं मेहनत कर रहे हैं, सब वापस आ रहे हैं. किसी के बॉस ने किसी को डांटा है, तो किसी का प्रमोशन नहीं हुआ है, किसी को उनका पहला ब्रेक नहीं मिला है. एनीथिंग, लाइक एनीथिंग, इट कैन बी लाइक A to Z एनीथिंग. एंड सम कुछ तो ऐसा होता है कि हम सोच भी नहीं सकते कि क्या ही हुआ होगा इंसान की लाइफ में. सो प्लीज़ बी a little more kinder towards people. Be where people just choose to be harsh on each other, please choose to be humble. Give that smile. If that one smile can make somebody's day, so please do that. If your compliment can really make somebody smile, please do that. So yeah, this was a little story from my life. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, please be kind, be humble towards people around you, and that's all I want. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you get to know it. Bye.